Hello, thank you for stopping by my channel. My name is Tasha. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I want to share with you my cloth and paper monthly subscription box. So this is actually going to be an unboxing, and it's of my Penspiration and Planning Stationery monthly subscription box. I have been a member for 6 months now, so this is the box for June. This is one of the ways that I've been able to add several products to my planners this year. So I do have my HP Mini that's housed here in my Moterm cover. And this is my catch-all on the go planner. I'm using it now for almost everything. And then I also have my HP Classic, and this is also a Moterm cover. But this is my work planner, and I've been able to add several products from cloth and paper into both of these planners through these subscription boxes. So I thought it would be really fun to share with you some of the items that I received. So let's go ahead and get started, and let's open this up. And the first thing I see is the card that tells me everything that's in here. I'm actually going to set that aside because I don't want to give it away of what's in the box. Okay, so you receive several journaling cards, and it looks like a calendar. So I've recently changed my box size to the HP Classic. So now I'm receiving sizes that are comparable for the HP Classic. So this is a fill-in calendar, which I love these. This is a journaling card that I will be using with the pens, because there are pens that come in here and I can use that to test them out. This is another journaling card, really cute, really nice. I love the aesthetic here. This one is a black card, which is really neat with cloth and paper, because usually the cards are white or cream color, and this is really different. So this is really cool. Looking forward to using that. And then here is an August mini calendar. And you may have seen this in my HP Classic. I actually cut this out and put it right in the front pocket of my work planner. So let me set that aside. Next. Okay, this is a catch-all tray. This is really cool. So we've been receiving some ceramic items for our desk, and I'm not sitting at my desk right now, so you can't see some of the items that I already have for cloth and paper, but this is really cute. I can actually use this and put maybe paper clips in here. I'm pretty sure I will have something to put in there. I will set these aside. These are the pens. Let's see what else is in here. Okay. In the back, I have, this looks like, okay, it says clear index tabs. So let's open this app up. Let's see. Okay, really cool. So these are clear index cards. Or actually tabs, so I can use these in my planner. They're like paper clips. I like that. Look at that. Really cool. I'm pretty sure I will be very creative in using that. Looking forward, and I have one for each month. Okay, let me set this aside. And then in my little pouch, my CP cloth and paper pouch, there are several items in here. Oh, cool. So here, I'll go ahead and set this box aside. So as you can see, there's a lot that comes in the box. I'm gonna set that aside. And this is a left-bound message notepad. Go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. set this paper aside. Oh, okay. So it has a bound on the side here, which is really neat. And it's a notepad, so it has grid paper, says subject, date, importance, which is low, medium, and high. So I use most of these items, these products for work now. So definitely will use this for my desk at work. And then now I have okay, this says Horizontal Weekly, July 2023, Monday start. So these are some actually weekly sheets. So recently, like I told you, I have been updating my work planner, and I am transitioning over to cloth and paper, which I still have a lot of HP Happy Planner productivity sheets in my work planner, but I wanted to try something new. So that's the reason why I transitioned my box from the mini to the classic, so I could actually try these items out for work. Oh, so this is really cool. So I have a month calendar for July 23rd, and then these are note sheets, it looks like. And then it turns into the weeklies. So this is really, really neat, really cool. I'm looking forward to trying this out. So I will definitely be adding this to my HP Classic for work. All right. And here looks like a beginner, just kind of a journaling page. And it starts off with success is peace of mind, which is a direct result of self-satisfaction and knowing you made the effort to become the best of which you are capable. That is awesome. Can't wait to put that in my work planner. Let's set that aside. Next, I have, okay, what is this? Oh, so this is an August 2023 vertical weekly Monday start. So I get to try out in August the vertical layout. So this is a different dashboard, it looks like, on the front. And this actually says, I don't really want to become normal, average, standard. I want merely to gain in strength and the courage to live out my life more fully, enjoy more, experience more. Cool. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So, oh, I didn't mention before, but this is the first page, which has goals for the month, important dates, and then bills that are due. Since it's a work planner, I probably won't use the bottom part, so I'll probably use that for a little decoration. There's the August monthly. Here are some note sheets. And then here is the vertical layout for the month of August. Very nice. I like that. It has the Monday start. It has the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Looking forward to trying that out. And then let's see what else I have. This looks like a September 2023. I have 3 months already to try. Let's see what this layout looks like. Again, another dashboard. I like that. And there's the month, like I guess that's kind of like the currently page. Here's the September month, and then notes, and then we have, oh, look at that. That's an hourly layout. And that's pretty much what I'm using right now, is an hourly layout. So I am really, really gonna have fun with this one. So it looks like to-dos can go at the top, and then there's a breakdown here of the hours, and that's from like 5 a.m. until it looks like 12 p.m. and the afternoon, and then all the way till like 12 a.m. Wow. I love that there's a little calendar right here also in the corner. I really like that. And it looks like it's on each page. All right, let me set this aside. Now I get a new dashboard. These are really cool. So I have been adding the dashboards in my planners. So I only have a few of the HP Classics that I've been able to place in there. So I'll probably be purchasing a little bit more to add to dashboards. So this is really cool. And now the pens. The pens are the fun part. So in every monthly, we receive pens and markers. So this month, these look like, oh, they're silver. These are so sleek, so cool. And I have loved every single pen set that I have received. And I have so many now that, I mean, I'm just using them like crazy. So these are really cool. Most of the time they're 0.5, which is really nice because I'm able to write smooth with them. 0.5, 0.7 are usually the markers that, and the pens that I like to try. So this is really neat. I'm gonna already try this out and see what this looks like. Let's see. Let me give this a little swipe. This is a neat little marker. Oh, that is silver. That is so cool. Look at that. Can't wait to try that. It has a little bit of sparkle in it too. All right. Well, that's it. That looks like that's everything in my Cloth and Paper monthly subscription box. Again, this is the Penspiration and Planning Stationery box that I have been enjoyed receiving every month since January, and I've been able to add, like I said, several products to all of my planners. Really looking forward to using the 3 months of the work planner, the sheets, the weekly sheets, excuse me, so I can get a feel for what I would like to purchase in the future. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you like this channel, the type of content that I am providing every single week, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you would, think about subscribing. I will be showing my work planner really soon. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Happy planning.